like somebody's been hunting. Here's the view from the back of the truck. My campsite. Well, there's Bosley enjoying himself. Wondering, what is this? It's a leaf. Okay, I got a nice little fire going here. What I like to do is I like to burn the logs in half instead of cutting them. It's way easier. Got the truck over here, and of course we got Bosley, who says, I want the human bed instead of the dog bed over here. What do you think, Bozzy? He's like, this is pretty good. I'm out of the wind and the fire is warm and I'm chill. He's had his dinner, so he's all good. Now he just wants his creature comforts. Well, this is pretty funny, unless you're me. I had planned on having a beautiful ribeye with a salad. You see here the salad. Where's the ribeye? Well, the ribeye is back at my house. I don't appear to have brought it, and that's very unfortunate. But I have a bag of walnuts, I have my salad, I have this beautiful black Mission fig balsamic vinegar, and I have some chocolate, and I basically have everything I planned to bring except the beautiful ribeye. So unfortunately, why won't my balsamic vinegar come out here? Let's try taking out that thing. Come on, baby. There we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, also the wind from the fire is blowing in the wrong direction. So it's in my face like half the time. Very unfortunate. Anyway, but like they always say in camping, bad trips make good stories. So I'll be eating. This is also olive oil from I think Morocco, that I got from the same place I got the balsamic vinegar, Cask and Grove in Independence, Kansas. Let's put a tiny bit of salt and seasoning on, and then we'll kind of mix it together. Incredible. I was actually looking forward to that ribeye all week. And although Bosley doesn't know it, he was going to get some of it, of course. Now he's not. All right. Actually, that's delicious. But it would have been delicious with a ribeye. Just a little fire tonight, not much. Just sitting out, enjoying the fire, having a drink, and hanging with the Bosley. It's a little less windy now, but it's a beautiful night. Once I go into the truck camper, I'll touch base. Just checking in before I go to bed. Gorgeous evening, incredible evening. I have this new truck cap that's about 3.5 inches taller. Makes a huge difference. And Bosley's great. He's just hanging out here under his blanket. You can't see him, but he's just hanging out. Anyway, it's a beautiful night. We're here in State Forest in Indiana, and it's about, 70 degrees. So it's going to be great sleeping weather tonight. Anyway, see you folks in the morning. Take care. Beautiful morning. Beautiful. Taking Boz for a little walk in the morning here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Sun's coming up. Temperature's so mild. It's only about, I'd say it's about I think 62 degrees. So very comfy. Anyway, gorgeous morning.